You must make a decision that you are going to move on. It won't happen automatically. You will have to rise up and say, I don't care how hard this is. I don't care how disappointed I am. I am not going to let this get the best of me. I am moving on with my life. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can still come out of it. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to succeed. Life is full of screw-ups. You are supposed to fail sometimes. It is a required part of the human existence. I didn't fail the test. I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. Just because you fail once doesn't mean you are gonna fail at everything. You are not obligated to win. You are obligated to keep trying to the best you can do every day. Success is determined not by whether or not you face obstacles, but by your reaction to them. And if you look at these obstacles as the containing fence, they become your excuse for failure. If you look at them as hurdle, each one strengthens you for the next. Successful people have no fear of failure, but unsuccessful people do. Successful people have the resilience to face up to failure, learn the lessons and adapt from it. Negative results are just what I want. They are just as valuable to me as positive results. I can never find the thing that does the job best until I find the ones that don't. Don't waste your time hating a failure. Failure is a greater teacher than success. Listen, learn, go on. I enjoy the fun of failure. It is the fun to fail. I kept repeating, it's a part of being ambitious. It's a part of being creative. If something is worth doing, it's worth doing badly. If failures has the strength to turn your life into the bitterness itself, then patience has the strength to turn your life into the sweetest joy. Do not surrender to fate after a single failure. Failure at most precedes success. You are likely to fail when you stop pedaling a bicycle. Such is life. As long as you don't give up, you will never end up failing. Don't let mental blocks control you. Set yourself free. Confront your fear and turn the mental blocks into the building blocks. Children have a lesson adults should learn. To not be ashamed of failing, but to get up and try again. Most of us adults are so afraid, so cautious, so safe, and therefore so shrinking and rigid and afraid that it is why so many humans fail. Most middle-aged adults have resigned themselves to failure. Each mistake teaches you something new about yourself. There is no failure, remember, except in no longer trying. It is the courage to continue that counts. Human beings are the only creatures who are allowed to fail. If an ant fails, it is dead. But we are allowed to learn from our mistakes and from our failures. And that's how I learn. By falling flat on my face and picking myself up and starting all over again.